Jackson. What's in there? What's in there? There's all these numbers. Pick. Jackson. Jackie Jack. If I reach in and narrow it down, okay, I'm gonna reach in, mix them up, grab a few. Will you pick one? Will you pick one? Oops. Come on, Jackson, take one. Take one. Oh, good boy. Let's see which one you got. Let's see which one you got. Can I have it? Oh, good boy, Jackson. Which one did you pick? You picked number 26. Today's winner's number 26. Good job, Jackson. Yay. Yay, Jackie Jack. I love you. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. Yeah.